Ready to launch your Hangry Joe's hot chicken spot in sizzlin' style? Let Go Agency create that pre-opening buzz to have folks squawking with anticipation. Whether you're a classic or graffiti Joe enthusiast, stand out with our feather-ruffling branding. Take flight in the digital realm. We've got you covered, from tantalizing social media content to chirpy email and text message campaigns that bring your hangry customers back again and again. Plus, our excellent website designs are both functional and cluckin' fantastic. Manage everything from one login at app.goagency.com. Be the talk of the town with our seasoned local advertising. And worry not, we're your dedicated wingman for long-term growth. With an average 4,000% return per message, 90% opt-in rate, and less than $1 advertising conversion rates, we can guarantee your success if given the opportunity at least 120 days prior to opening your Hangry Joe's franchise. If you are already open, no worries, we can help you optimize your Hangry Joe's cooperative advertising budget for the most results with our monthly maintenance plans. Hungry for success? With proven results and ownership of crucial customer data, let's take your franchise to soaring heights. So, why wait? Turn your Hangry Joe's into a cluckin' sensation. Don't just join the flock, own your own flock today. Sign up below or book a demo. Go Agency, your secret recipe for marketing Hangry Joe's success.